Hey guys, great to see the show again, and let's talk about Deta Finance. We're challenging the DeFi giants and hopefully surpassing Uniswap. Normally, I don't promote projects, but I was so impressed that before they launched, they had KIC with CERTIK. They had audit with CERTIK. They have so many things, so many articles, and they were trending everywhere already before they were even launched. And as you guys know, CERTIK is costing a fortune. So I would definitely be impressed that the team has undergone many things without having launched their coin. I was in the Ethereum pre-sale, which I am still holding my tokens, and I'm very grateful for that because I believe it can be a very big one. But let's talk about what they offer, guys. Unlock the power of crypto with Deta Finance, the ultimate DeFi platform offering a user-friendly experience for traders and developers. Enjoy a liquidity aggregator, AI contract creator, multi-chain wallet, Swap 2.0 exchange, and perpetual trading. Explore the future of finance with Deta today. As you can check it out, this is the problem. This is the static audit. There was a problem. It's mitigated, and also you can see how it's working. They have the KIC badge. They have the founder interview. They are really working for a while now. They have the bronze verification tag on CERTIK, which is very difficult to get. And as you can see, that they are already working on it for a long time now. You can see that what they are doing, what they've gone through, and also what they are doing. Let's so talk about what they're going to be offering. They're going to be launching multiple things. As you can see, this is a swap, as they plan to take over Uniswap and Pancakeswap, but not with old technology, but by becoming better. As you guys know, Pancakeswap is already some years now. Uniswap is also some years now, and technology is continuously evolving. We believe that this is going to be a big one, guys. Let's check it out. They, of course, have multiple places where you can go. They have staking, they have farming, they have many other things. They're launching their own web app for multiple platforms, for Android, for Apple, and for the laptop, of course. And that is not all. Let's check it out. This is design your own cryptocurrency effortlessly. Make your token and give it options. Of course, that is something that a lot of people want to do also. And this makes sure that you do not need to be a developer to build it. As you can see, they are combining many different things that other projects are doing. And normally you're going to be needing many different pages or websites to do that. And here it's going to be offered from one side. You can see the exchange. And of course, you can just check it out some more. You can get a career. You can also make sure that you can take control of your own crypto with the app, of course. And you can check their socials. The things that I am impressed with, like I said, it is a KIC with CERTIK. It's an audit from CERTIK, and it is all the advertisement that's been going on already. What we're going to talk about, guys, is that as you can see, they have placed many articles online. You can see that they also talk with the developers, and also the developer has been interviewed by CERTIK, which are many things that I believe that is normally you do not see that in just a shitcoin. As CERTIK is already there, let's also go here. Data on crypto.com. Crypto.com. They have registered themselves at crypto.com. They have a pre-listing at Data. I cannot find it now. They have a pre-listing at CoinMarketCap. They are everywhere, guys, and that is already costing so many thousands that I believe that this team is here to stay and to take over, because you don't see a meme coin going crazy with doing an audit, doing KIC, showing who is the team members and everything. Oh, I type coin. 1 second. Data, Deta Finance. As you can see, this is the pre-sale for Ethereum. And as you guys know, pre-sales, they go up and pre-sales sell and it goes down. But as you can see, there is a stronger floor coming. The Ethereum one is now 2 days old. And if we're going to check the pre-sale to the BNB one, there's also going to be a bridge that's going to combine the tokens. You can see that the pre-sale has been going for not even 24 hours. It's going to go for it's going for 20 hours. and there is like a maximum of 96.17 BNB in the moment. I can say that I have purchased and my friends have purchased also. And like I said, this is a pre-sale. So how is it going to work, guys? Well, first of all, I'm very sad that there's not a affiliate here on it, because of course I won't get paid for the video, but I believe that this is something that can change many people their lives. But like I said in the beginning of my video, don't put rent money, you know? It's always crypto, you never know what's going to happen, and we want people to stay safe. So check it out, guys. The pre-sale is going to be ending in 3.42 minutes. The maximum amount that you can put is 0.488 BNB. This is around $115, $120, depending on the courses. And you will need to go to this website. I'm going to be placing that website in my movie, in the text description. And also, you can see their other fair launch. It is going nicely. The community is quite active. Let me share the Telegram. Let's go here. Hey guys, want to say anything to my YouTube audience? They are nice. They are friendly audience. And as you can see, multiple people are continuously joining. We never know what's going to happen, guys. But if we're going to talk about Pancakeswap, if we're going to talk about Uniswap, Pancake, it was up like $100 or something a piece. Well, people bought it for cents. Uniswap, I believe it went even higher to a couple $100, where people just got it airdropped. So we just think about if this is something that you would want to do, if this is something that you think that is going to change your life, because I think it will definitely do mine. And I'm going to be uploading it. I'm going to be, as you can see here, pre-sales, they're going quite nicely. And we're making sure that people hear about it. Like I said, you never know what's going to happen. But if this is that one magical 1000x, I'm going to be sure that I'm present, guys. This is PTC Pet from the Netherlands. You know me from my many videos online. And let's change lives in a magical way for everybody, guys. I want to bring abundance to all. Have a great day, and we will speak later.